can't really see us. Oh, there we go. But it's the middle of the night and we're heading to the off-grid place so that we can get there and spend most of... Oh my gosh, I'm completely dark now. There you go. Spend most of the day being able to sort it out. See you when we get there. A lot greener than last time. Last time it was all yellow, so I'm glad we put the effort in and mowed it last time. Gotta mow it again. Oh, it's looking quite good. We spent ages in the summer clearing out all this, and that's looking much better now. Still a little bit more to do. Every time we come, a little bit more. Here at the front it's all fresh, so we've got to have to get all that done while we're here. We are actually only here for tomorrow really, and the following morning, and that's it. But we get what we can done. This is the bedroom area. We didn't show you these areas last time, but what we did do last time was fit this light system here. There is a small solar panel at the front, but 2 beds there, and then we go through, oh here, 1 second, and we've installed another light there, so there's a second bed in there. There is a little sink area. There's no running water, but it does allow us to wash in here with a heater when it's a little bit cooler. That is the only solar panel for this cabin, but it does do the little lights that I've just shown you. Yes. One of the first jobs is to get the lawnmower out, the sit-on one, and get the battery, see if we can get that sorted. And if not, we're back onto this one. The grass is still a little bit wet, so we might leave that till tomorrow. Already the barbecue is underway. A little fire. We I've finally got the lawnmower working. That's going to make life so much easier. Looks like all it needed was a new battery. It has got a bit of a puncture here. Well, not puncture, but it's a bit deflated. But we haven't got a pump with us, unfortunately. You can see it's a bit wonky. At least we can't hear the whistling. There's always added benefits. So mowing had to come to a bit of an abrupt end. Doom and gloom. We have managed to get quite a few little bits done. But yeah, it's always something. Let's go and see what Aidan is up to. We are cooking. Ooh. We're doing mince and onions on the open fire with plenty of olive oil.
That's good to go, really.
And we bought a bag of frozen vegetables to put in. Obviously they've defrosted now, but that's okay. We've got those on the way.
I'll go off in the fridge. Put in this weather.
The reason I got the camera out was because we have the beautiful little star there.
You actually? Unfortunately.
It's a really beautiful evening. We're so blessed with the weather, considering it's October. And the views are just amazing and stunning. We've just finished doing all the grass on the outside, so looking all a bit neater. This time just a quick visit just to get everything ready for winter. Barbecue's all set up ready for tonight. We still have to sort out all this grass around here done because it is a Saturday, so that means tomorrow is a Sunday, which here in Germany means we're not allowed to do anything noisy. But see around here, second night here, last night. Ooh, there you go, my little planet still there, can you see in the middle? Oh, it's just so beautiful here and relaxing and quiet. It's a little bit colder tonight, so we've got the oil lamp inside and we're cooking inside. We are eating by candlelight because the don't look at the dangerous flame indoors, and the oil lamp, because we did use all of the electricity that was generated by the solar. We have candles and we have wine. Cheers. Time to talk toilets. We're out on the off-grid. Be a million and one questions. How do you go to the toilet? What do you do? We don't want a chemical toilet. We purposely sort of made that decision because that goes against being off-grid and looking after the environment. So we've got this option. We did buy it on Amazon. It's probably one of the best things we ever bought, actually. You get these bags. These are compostable bags, biodegradable, compostable biodegradable toilet bag. There you go, there's a mouthful for you. Not particularly cheap, but really good for camping as well. About that big, but basically, I'm not going to put one in, but they basically just lift the lid, put them in there, put that on the top, do your business, take it out and bury it, and it will decompose. It's as simple as that. Got any questions about it? Then comment below and we can try and help. The cost of this, I got a special deal actually with this toilet and 2 rolls of compostable bags for €20, but I think normally it's about 30. I will put a link below to the toilet and this, but basically the make is BranQ. But brilliant, can't fault it. So it stays here, and then we've always got it. Good job we brought it with us last time because the toilet has broken, but we are going to put a new toilet shed in, but that'll be next time on another video. You can see how we install that. But yeah, we have these papers which are for the damp, and we just put them, well, you can see there, between the bedding so as to prevent it all getting damp. Because we have, well, we do have electric, but not a lot of it. Some of you out there will remember one of these. I remember one of these as my nana had. A bit more hard work than a Hoover, but it does the job. And when we have this for getting away the cobwebs when we first turn up, you know, we can just waft it around. That's quite good, that stays here. Normally in the summer we would have all of these shutters open. Some shutters behind here. We'd normally have all those open, but we're only here a few days this time, so we haven't. You can see yourself in the reflection. Last of the furniture going away. The bench is in. So that's it. We lock it all up for winter now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up. It all helps the algorithms. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Click the notifications bell so that you can see when the next off-grid one is. That will probably be Easter time, around there. But we also, when we're not here, we're renovating our house, taking some of the elements from here, the off-grid elements, and inputting them there. So if you want to see that, make sure the notifications bell's on, then you get to see what we're up to every week. Thanks for watching.